What's up, beautiful? For today's video, I will show you guys how to bleach your hair silver blonde at home by using WELLA T18, and it is super easy. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just get my hair ready. As you can see, I have a very dark brown at the roots, and here on the end I have light brown tone, which I have been colored for a long time. So next you will be needing it is a bleaching powder, 30% volume developer, some blush, some gloves, and a bowl. So all the product detail I will link it down below. So I'm going to mixing it like one part of the bleaching powder and two part of the 30% volume developer. So mix it all together. So now I'm start to apply. I think it start from here first. Okay, start from the black part, like a black hair. Now I start to apply from here, beside, and at the back. So once I finish applying, I will let the color process. I will be back. Let's set in 30-minute times. Okay, it's been 30 minutes now. So I will going to have a look if it's okay or the color is live enough. Looking good so far. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to shampoo. I will be right back. This is what his hair look like after I shampoo. But I'm not done with the hair yet, so I will repeat the whole process again, second time, to get ready for the toner. Okay, this is the hair after I bleach the second time. So I'm going to tone my hair, so using the T18, this one, and going to use the 20% volume developer, this one. So I think I will use only 2 cups of the T18 to apply to the yellow part and all over the hairs, and make sure I don't miss any spot of the yellow part. Okay, what I'm doing now, so I'm toning my hair. This time I will leave about 15 minutes. Let's see what color it's gonna be after I shampoo. I'll see you in a minute. Here is the results. I toned my hair with the WELLA T18. I'm pretty happy with the result. What you guys think? Let me know in the comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.